What do you want to do?
Go out there again.
Again?
Yes, again.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright. Are you on? Set. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I went a dry spot that time.
Oh, gosh.
Gotta go about it.
He looks a little on there. You about flipped?
Yeah, it was fun. So fun. Have fun.
Just a little bit right now. Come on out, brother.
It's not like it's 90 degrees out.
I feel like,
Cold?
like 32 degrees.
Really?
Yeah. That's how cold the water was.
Where's Sean? Look at the water on the patio again.
Come on out.
Let me see.
Hey, well, we're going to go watch a movie now, aren't we?
Okay.
Yeah, hose him up?
Did you see him, Sean?
Yeah. Oh, yeah,